Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're currently driving my mom's CRV. We're on our way to pick up some ABS plastic. As you can tell by the title of the video, I am going to be making my own custom splitter along with diffuser and side skirt extensions. I will also be making my friend a front splitter for his Prelude. So hopefully everything goes according to plan, and I already fucking hit traffic the minute I left the house. Like, look at that. On the way back home, it is 2:47 and I expected traffic to hit around 5. It is a Friday and like, I'm fucked. I was hoping I would avoid it if I left this early. I mean, I got off work at 1:30. I had to buy a couple things at 99-cent store to, if I need it, hopefully I don't need it. Hopefully everything goes according to plan, because I didn't measure my mom's car. And the board that I'm getting is 90 inches by 40, or 96 or some shit like that, by 40 something inches. So hopefully it fits in the car. I mean, if anything, hopefully they can fold it, like roll it up and everything. Not fold it, but like roll it up so it could fit. I did not measure anything since I was in a hurry like an idiot. All right, so we're here. Hopefully it fits. I really need to take a fat piss, so wish me luck, because I don't have a good feeling about this. They can't roll it up at 3/16, they said. So wish me luck, because they said they can't fold it up at 3/16. So I am going to try fitting it the best I can. Hopefully all goes according to plan. So the way I wanted it to fit didn't fit, so that sucked. But hopefully, if my measurements were right, my bumper is 20 inches and they cut it in half, so it's 24 inches, which I wanted it to stick out 2 inches anyways, so that's good. But that's how they did it. So it's total 4 cuts, 2 sheets total. I somehow got it to fit, so we just went through the back and then we put it between the driver door and the passenger side. I did kind of scratch up my mom's back of the trunk. It's like the part right here where it would be in the trunk part. So I apologize about that, and it's pretty fucking bad. I also need to rearrange it, so I'll just show you. So if you look at the trunk, oh my god, it is terrible. There's like this deep ass scratch, all of that. So hopefully I can get away with sanding it down without it making it look too bad. But this, I don't know how I'm gonna hide that. I'll probably just like get a blade and cut it so it doesn't look like scratches and just somewhat blend it in. Aside from that, we are currently at Harbor Freight as well. We need to grab a cutting tool to cut up the ABS plastic, so I need to go do that for sure and grab my wallet. All right, cool. So we got the essential needs. We got the whatever the fuck that's called, the cutter. We got a rivet and a riveter, along with 3/16 drill bits, I believe. Yeah, 3/16 drill bit, 3/16 rivets, and a riveter. And this thing. Now we gotta head home and get that traffic. That's a dope ass Subaru. I like his setup, his wheels. I mean, everyone has Yankees, but still, it's nice. So I'm currently gonna get something to eat because I haven't fucking eaten all day. I just got off work, went straight to pick up my sister, grabbed my mom's car, and headed to San Diego. And it's 4:26, and my phone's not charging with this charger, and I don't know why. So I might not even be able to eat, because I might just have to use it for directions on how to get home, because I'm not familiar with this part of San Diego. So I decided to stop by and get something to eat while I'm headed home, since it's traffic anyways and I haven't eaten all day. Stop by Manila Sunset. For those of you that are Filipino, you guys would know what this is. I got barbecue pork, some fresh lumpia, and they also give you a cup of sinigang for just cause, I don't know why, but if you want to mix your rice with it, you can. Look, I'm about to demolish this thing because I'm so hungry and I haven't eaten all day. Do you guys want a bite? This is so good. You guys have to try it. If you guys are not Filipino and you guys haven't eaten Filipino food, I definitely recommend you guys try it, especially the lumpia. I don't know who hasn't tried these, but in case you haven't, definitely try these. That shit was so good, and this Tesla Park, she got drive for shit. I don't know what she's doing, but look, she was reversing and then now she's not. But anyways, as I was saying, that food was bomb, and you can't even see my face, but holy shit, I'm so full. And hopefully that bought me enough time to have traffic die down just a little bit, and if it didn't, then it was still good. It was still worth it. There's nothing I can complain about. It was fucking amazing. I always come here when I come down to San Diego because this place is so good. God, this fucking CRV annoys me. Every time I open the door, it goes back to the fucking driver's settings, and I don't know how to turn that off for when I use it. So like, it goes to my mom's setting, and it's really fucking close to the steering wheel. Fucking sucks. That moment when this is an automatic car and you try reaching for a clutch and you hit a brake, fucking sad life. Depot. I found the L brackets. Now I just need to find some screws that I can mount this splitter onto the bumper. I don't even know if it's focusing, but I did find the L brackets and it's not wanting to focus. Well, I'm home and I'm currently designing the Prelude bumper. This is what we have so far. He said he didn't want any fins, so he just wants it flat. So I just lined it up going straight out 2 inches. And he said he didn't want anything too aggressive, so we have it come out 2 inches here. And it's gonna be flaring to 1 inch right here. So that's how he wants his design. He doesn't want any fins, just something subtle, not aggressive, just simple and clean. So I asked him if he was cool with like just having like an inch right here, or actually I think that might be half. No, that's an inch, and then flaring out to 2 inch going towards the corner. So I have 2 inches going into 1 inch. This isn't the final design, it's just sketched out. I'm gonna cut it up and make sure it lines perfectly and everything. And I only did half because I measured the bumper, and then now all we got to do is just cut it in half. So I'm just gonna cut this line right here and cut this out and just cut out the outline. After that, we're gonna transfer it onto the ABS plastic and put this on there after we draw the template onto the ABS plastic. It is day 2, it's 7 o'clock. I just woke up. I have to go to Home Depot again because I forgot to get the nuts and bolts that I'm going to be using, washers, and the blade that I'm going to be using for the jigsaw cutter. And today looks like it's not going to go to plan because fuck, my luck is it's fucking gonna rain pretty much. I mean, it's already sprinkling if you see my hood, which I highly doubt you can see it. Yeah, I don't think you can, but not my hood, my windshield. But yeah, we're gonna be heading out to Home Depot. We're gonna pick up some nuts and bolts, some washers, and a couple of other things I can't remember right now because I just woke up, but I have it on my list on my phone. So let's go to Home Depot. Hopefully that's all we needed. I just grabbed nuts, bolts, and washers for the front bumper. I grabbed self-tapping screws for the side skirt extensions, and that's pretty much it. Oh, and another drill bit to draw out the same measurements for the same size for the bolts and washers I got, which is 1/4 of an inch. So hopefully that's all we need to do, and that's the only stop we needed to do. Now we just head home, start the rest of the work, finish my friend's bumper, do mine, start my side skirts, take off my bumper, which is gonna be a pain in the ass. For those of you that taking off your bumper with the tensions, you already know what I'm talking about. It is a pain in the ass. It's a lot of fucking bolts and a lot of clips that you need to take out. So let's get home. Yeah, we have it coming from 1 inch. Then as we get closer to here, it flares to 1.5 inches right there. And then it will fully flare to 2 inches right here. So that's how he wanted it. He wanted it not aggressive, just subtle. So I decided that we're just gonna do 2 inches right here, flaring into 1 inch, because he does want the tie rods, the support rods, to go from the splitter to his bumper. And he does have an attached lip as well, as you can see here. So we're just gonna tap into the splitter itself, or into the lip itself. And that's pretty much how it looks. He doesn't want any fins, just something to stand out. Everything's done. I mocked everything up. It is marked on the ABS plastic. This is the glossy side. The other side is where the textured side is at, if you can see that. I prefer to do it upside down when I cut it. I don't know why, that's just me. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut that, and then we're gonna mount it onto the bumper. So there it is, it's completely done. I'm gonna do mine now. He's about to come pick it up. So that's pretty much it. That's how it looks. 2 inches on the side, flaring into half an inch, or 1 inch, my bad. So it goes 2 inches into an inch. Yeah. And now we're gonna do my side skirt extension. So all I'm doing is measuring out 7 inches for this to go all the way in and stick out 2 inches. And that's pretty much it. Made me 2 rear splats right here. So that's gonna be going on. I'm not gonna be doing fins on the skirts, more just like subtle and flush. So my lip or my front splitter isn't really gonna be a splitter, kind of, sort of. I mean, it's not gonna be a one-piece splitter at least. It's just gonna flare out from the end, going inwards and closing in the middle. Same with the other one, it's gonna go like out 2 inches, flaring inwards to close up in the middle. And it's not gonna stick out in the middle or anything, so I'm not gonna use any tie rods or support rods or anything like that. It's just gonna be mounted on with nuts and bolts pretty much. So what I did with his as well is I just used a 1/4 inch right here. And then I just drilled it with a 1/4 inch drill bit and mounted it with these, and that's it. So I finished my design and I finished everything I needed to do for my custom aero, and unfortunately I didn't have enough time to finish it up and install it before iBlock, which was 2 days ago for you guys. But I was also making customers stuff. I just got done making this customer's rear splat for the 10th gens, and I'll show you how that looks right now. Let me just put these pieces in my trunk. So if you look here, this is how he wants it flush with his exhaust and then flaring out 2 inches. So that's how it's pretty much gonna look. And I don't have it exactly set up like it's poking out right here, but I just need to push it in more and you'll see that it's right there. And that's pretty much the look we're going for. And all he needs to do is just drill out his holes and mount it on his car. So we are currently going to my friend Mario's house to finish up this customer's splats. And the reason why we're going to his house to finish it up is because, ooh, this is a little too close for comfort. That was pretty close. We're going to his house because he has a torch that I need to bend up the side of the splats that this customer wanted. To bend it over, pretty much I don't have a heat gun or a torch to heat it up and bend the plastic up. So we're gonna be going to his house, doing that. We're just gonna kick it for a little bit. So I just got to his house. And this is my car, and look, his car is fucking clean. This is the original color I wanted. For those of you who watch my video, I was between this and the Aegean blue, but jeez, this is nice. Hollow Squad. He's got that gurney flap on top of the rear windshield, real carbon fiber mirror caps, lowered on D2. Oh my god. If you guys watch Naruto, you know who that is. So clean. So clean. I love it a lot. Nah, I'm just kidding, guys. This car's a piece of shit. Literally, there's a piece of shit on it. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, and if you guys want any custom aero, let me know. Message me on Instagram. My Instagram is MVRKFC3. For those of you guys that are local to SoCal, i.e. LA, San Diego, you name it, as long as you can make the drive to come pick it up, then I can also make you custom parts if you want, like rear splats, diffuser, side skirt extensions, or front splitter, or canards. I'll be more than happy to help you and make one for you. So just hit me up on Instagram, let me know what you guys want, and I'll give you guys pricing information on that. But thank you guys again for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give the video a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and comment down below on what you guys think about the rear spots that I did for the customer. I want to say one more thing. I don't know if I said already, but the reason why I didn't install it in my car is because I didn't have enough time, and iBlock was today, and it was 2 days ago for you guys, and I literally didn't have enough time to do anything, so that's why. But I hope you guys enjoyed it, and you guys will see my custom aero soon. Hopefully I get to install it sometime this week and show you guys.